It is time to move on. I've assembled a dream team of a couple of guys here that are going to come and help me put the motor back in. But first, before we actually get to the day where we put the motor in, I need to find all the bits and pieces for it because I don't remember where I put them. Gotta go digging. Alright, so last Wednesday was a bust. We didn't manage to get together. But today, dirt on my face. But today, I think it's happening, so I'm just gonna prep the car so I don't scratch it. Welcome to Project 308. My name is Lou Trottier, and today we're actually putting the engine back in the car. You can pull my tube down a bit. Alright, okay, enough.
What is this stuff even called?
Blue shit that protects the paint. The box is right there.
No, I never use it, but I see it all the time. Like, pretty cool to see. Alright.
Well, no, put your hair, do the other side of it.
Alright, perfect. Look, I'm YouTube famous now.
Go stand and go, I'm YouTube famous now.
I'm YouTube famous now.
There you go. Alright, here we go. First guy has arrived. Look who's here. This is Earl. Say hi, Earl.
Hi.
Look at you, Earl, you handsome mofo with hair. Rob's late. We figured he would be late. I mean, it's not. I mean, maybe Earl was just early.
Yeah, I think so.
That's it. You gotta get the engine crane out over there.
Okay.
So, motor is right there, dude. So,
oh yeah.
Okay, so let's get the car up, and then we'll get the motor out. We'll slide it up. There we go. So funny thing is that Earl and I used to work at an Acura dealer, and we used to work side by side, and I think Earl, this guy here, I think he wanted to beat me up a couple times. Hey Earl, can I borrow a 10 mil socket?
Screw you before I beat you. Go away.
I think he wanted to beat me up a couple times.
On a few occasions.
Oh, you see, I knew it was true. I knew it was true. We almost got into fisticuffs on multiple occasions.
The first rule of Fight Club is, you do not talk about Fight Club.
And somehow we managed to become friends in the end of the day.
Yeah.
So you had to bail my ass a few times, is what you're saying, right? Well,
A few times.
A few times. I think I bailed your ass out a couple times too.
Probably.
Yeah, I think so. So the goal today is to put this in that hole without scratching car. We've got to put this one header in before the engine goes in. So we need some fender covers. That stuff. Let's get one over there. Are these like the Amazon special fender covers? Yeah, they look like they're Amazon. Look at that beauty.
That is.
We gotta spin the engine. Okay, it's facing the wrong way.
Yeah.
Wait. Oh. So on episode, whatever it is on the screen right now, I made these hooks. Right there. Now, I'm kind of having second thoughts about using them. So I'm worried that the thing is too heavy and then it's gonna be too hard on the studs on the aluminum head. It's gotta turn like this. So the whole unit, we have to pick it up from that head and then we have to let it droop to the point where it hangs like this and it drops down that way. So we've got to wrap that strap around that bank, get it over there, and we have to position it in a way that we can get it up that high. So we're going to have to play for a bit. We're going to have to tape measure a bit. We need 40 inches. We need a little more. Okay. Okay. I'd say we're looking pretty good though, don't you?
Yeah.
I think we got it first shot. We're experts. Experts.
I hate going over.
Rob has finally arrived. He was a late one tonight because Earl and I have been killing time. We've been practicing putting this mother in, we're ready. We're ready. Are we ready?
We're ready.
All right. I got Earl and Rob here. Get in here, Rob. Come on. So you remember Rob from episode number whatever it was. I'll put it up on the screen. These are long-time buddies. I think between the three of us, we probably have an excess of 100 years
yeah.
of service experience.
Yes, absolutely.
So I'm pretty sure we can get this in the hole without scratching the car.
Yes.
Yes.
That's the plan.
That's the plan.
I was telling them. Motor.
Yeah.
Once in a lifetime thing for me, I'll tell you.
Where is it you're working now?
Nowhere now, just at home.
Oh, okay. You're rocking
He's
and
got
rolling.
a
NSXs and yeah, a lot of NSXs.
Any of you that have an NSX that needs work, if you send me an email and I'll get you his info, because he the man.
He's the NSX guru.
Yes. All right, we ready to do this?
Let's do it.
Okay, so who wants to do what?
I'm gonna jack this thing up.
Okay.
I've already had it up
Cherry
in the air.
picker.
Cherry picker. You got her.
We've already practiced this.
Yeah, she's already been up in the air.
And this is the angle you put it in at?
It's got a droop.
Okay.
So I don't know if it's quite the angle, but it's gotta be
It's gonna
tilted.
come down on that mount there first, and then lower in from.
Oh, that's it. Oh, wow.
I think we're higher than 40. Was it 40?
Yeah, we're high enough. Just make sure that thing is secure on there. It's not gonna slip on us at all.
I don't think so.
Okay.
I can probably run and catch it.
Well, let's give it a try.
Okay, that hose that's under there right now, is that gonna stop me from?
Yeah, Rob will pick it
Yep.
up. Yeah. Second. Nice and slow, nice and slow. Okay, got to turn.
You guys can see better than I can.
Yeah, okay, we need about 3 or 4 more inches.
How's that pump with the release on it? Is it slow?
Yeah, I can control it, yeah. I'm used to this jack.
Okay,
Cherry
so,
picker.
Okay, you gotta, I think you might have to go,
Back a bit,
yeah. Yeah, right there.
okay?
A little bit more like an inch the most.
down?
Comfortable? Yeah.
Yeah, we're okay.
Yeah, stop there and just bring it back a little. Yeah, right
Okay?
there. Yeah.
I'm gonna check the rear diff, Rob.
Yeah, I'm clear here.
The rear diff. is-
Rear diff, you'll
Oh,
catch.
sorry, it's over there.
Yeah.
If somebody holds it, okay?
Yeah. We gotta kind of pull forward a bit.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's why you have.
That's why we gotta hit that angle. I mean, I could take the mounts off, but they'll be a bitch to get back in.
Yeah, no.
Oh, you're getting close?
Yeah, I'm close. I'm gonna be
I
close.
got room here. Okay, that's good.
Okay.
Okay, so I need, watch back here,
Yep, okay.
okay?
Yep,
You got it?
yep.
There's nothing to scratch back there, just trying to.
It's just a
No,
front.
and we don't have, we'll be clear.
Is it, how's that diff?
You guys okay?
Yeah,
Yeah,
we're
how
good.
much that diff, Earl?
You're okay.
Yeah,
You're okay.
Yeah, don't ruin your fucking hand.
You okay?
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, lots, I got a lot of room.
Yeah, we're actually going better than I thought.
Okay?
Yep.
Those just rubber mounts?
There's a rubber interior inside of them.
Okay, so your brackets now, Luke, are going to,
Oh, yeah.
Let's take them off.
yeah.
Okay.
You get 'em up?
Yeah, let's take them off.
Well, it's just on the valve cover?
You need them,
Oh, really?
yeah. You want me to leave it where she is?
Well,
Or do you want me to come up a little? I'll wait for you to,
Yeah. What are those brackets?
well, he was gonna use them as,
Oh, okay. I think when you pull it out, yeah.
yeah.
I was
Well,
contemplating putting it in with us, because it's gotta hit a weird angle, right?
yeah. With those,
I remember that episode.
Yeah. But then I thought, you know what, the stress on that head bolt might be a little bit too much.
at all?
Yeah, come on. think of that?
You okay, Rob?
Yep. We'll be back here. Close.
We got to move this header right now.
How about the cables?
Yeah, you got to watch those cables as well.
What's this one cable? Choke or a heater?
That will be the choke and the throttle.
So manual choke, eh?
Yeah. Well, the Weber's right.
How's the carbs?
I got the kits to rebuild them.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm not stuck with that anymore. That'll be episode 600. All right, okay.
Okay, you ready? Everybody good?
Yeah. Just slow.
Yeah.
Just like oldies, eh?
We are going to have to go towards the passenger side or the driver's side in a bit.
Okay.
We're not there yet, though.
It's closer. Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, try to keep that different.
Good.
Doing great. We're doing great.
Yeah. The window okay over there?
Yeah, okay. We are doing really well. Huh?
My butt is starting to pucker. Okay, you
We're
good?
We're going to be on the valve cover bolt shortly.
Okay, we don't got too much room here. Wait, what are we, my hand's stuck in the middle, but that's how close we are.
Okay, but we're almost under the glass, though, right?
Yeah, why don't we bring it lower it a little bit?
Just
Okay.
yeah. Let's,
You ready?
Yeah. It's going to get hung up on the rear valve cover bolts, but
Will it? Okay.
we're going to have to slip it at some point.
Okay, now we can go.
Okay.
Okay. Now we're okay. Yep.
Yeah.
Okay, good. Didn't leave much room, eh?
Okay.
So I'm trying to force it towards the front of the car ever so slightly. Yeah, we're good. We're good.
Okay.
Yeah.
Still good?
We're still good.
Yeah, you gotta go towards that.
I'm past my point now. Yeah, we just worried about the water pump. Okay. Stop. Okay, I need to come up a bit.
Up a bit?
Yeah, come up.
Okay. Okay.
So what we got to do now is the cross members here, the mount has tucked underneath it a bit, so we need to come up a bit and go on top of the mount.
So it's on the opposite side of the mount?
I think I got it on the right side down. Okay.
You just tell me up or down.
We got the cross driver.
Okay.
Looks good, looks healthy.
Hey?
Looks good, looks healthy.
I'm all right. I had some issues, but I had to get quoted on some of my debt.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. And I ended up losing a couple of weeks. Talk to me.
We got on about a centimeter.
Centimeter?
Okay, so the motor's got to start turning now.
Which way,
it's gotta-
clockwise?
It's got to start coming up at
Well, it's gonna have to kind of rest on the back beam in order to start pivoting that way.
So
You mean like try to line up the
Well,
back?
I'm not even trying to line the mounts up right now. I'm just trying to get the rear mount sitting on the beam.
Yeah, get it to sit on the beam and it'll pivot on its own.
Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So, Earl, can you pick up this part of the motor here with me?
Yeah.
And we just got to set it up a little bit more. It's just got to go up a 1/4 inch. Okay. And okay. Okay. Now let the engine come down a bit, because I'm now sitting on the beam.
Okay. Gonna come down a little
Yeah.
bit. How much?
Give an inch.
You do slowly, let me
Yeah.
just make sure it stays here.
Oh, we fell off. Sorry.
The light bulb. You want the light? Back on.
No, I got to go back on.
Hold on.
Okay. Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
Try and hold it there.
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah, good, good, good.
Wait.
Okay. Yeah, we're looking good.
Yeah, the bracket just cleared the rear bulkhead.
Okay. How are we doing over there? Okay, so the motor can go on your side.
Mm-hmm.
The motor can go towards the rear of the car ever so slightly.
I see what you mean by the brake line.
You see the brake line?
Yeah.
Not much room.
There's not much room here, Lou. If anything, I would come this way a little bit to get it. Come this way a little bit to get it away from the brake line.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Coming down.
Like we're home. What was that?
No, it's just strap adjusting.
Okay.
You're okay.
Yeah, because we're an inch away. We're less than an inch away from being. Okay, hang on. I gotta. Okay, sorry.
Up.
Up. Yeah.
Okay, 1 second.
Okay, hang on. Let me get that out of the way. I just gotta.
What is that?
Of the starter motor cable.
Oh, is it?
The electrics for the starter motor. Okay.
Okay.
Come on back down again.
Down.
Yeah. Okay, yeah. We're almost on the beam at the back. Okay. Keep
We're
coming.
slack.
I think we should be sitting on it by now.
We're slack.
Yeah, we're slack.
Okay, so let's okay. And so I'm close to having one bolt here. I need the back of the motor here to go this way.
That way?
Yeah,
Okay.
just
Coming
ever so
around
slightly.
you, Lou. Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Coming around you.
And for all you parents out there, that would be the look of defeat. Somehow our kids know exactly the most inopportune time to screw up and pull out of the parking spot at Walmart and collide with the car next to them.
What kind of car is it? Okay. Well, let me see how badly damaged it is.
Side panel here about the fire.
Okay. What do they want to do? No, I don't want to go through insurance because my deductible's way more than that repair.
Yeah, I was reading that.
Okay, yeah, okay, but push the whole motor back towards the front of the car. Actually, I'm wondering if we should, if we're sitting on the thing that
You should be okay.
we should
Undo it, yeah, and you'll be able to shift it from underneath.
Yeah. I think
It's in?
It's in.
That wasn't too bad.
No, that wasn't bad at all. So,
It is kind of tricky though.
It is.
Yeah.
I can see you needing 3 people.
Yeah. I remember you taking it out. I remember seeing the picture. I thought, wow, man, that's just tight. I was surprised taking it out of here.
Yeah.
yeah.
And sadly, I didn't get to hang out with the guys and shoot more video because guess what? I had to skedaddle and go solve a problem. You know, that car incident I mentioned earlier.
All right, so the engine is in, and now we're on to the next problem, which is the spacers at the front of the motor. 4 mounts, 2 closest to the firewall, 2 closest to the rear. The ones closest to the firewall have spacers. So when I pulled the motor out, these pieces all fell out. So these are original. I'm pretty sure that arrangement is not original. These bolts are not original. I've got to figure out the orientation of these, which I believe is that way, and I've got to figure out what to replace these with, because these are just nuts that somebody has jammed in there to get some sort of spacing correct. I'm going to have to try and make a collar, like a proper collar or something. So if any of you other fellow Ferrari 308 owners have a picture or a diagram, I'm just so dirty today, of the actual spacers that are supposed to be in here so I can make a couple, yeah, I'd appreciate that. I also appreciate you, and thank you for watching, subscribing, and commenting, and all the love. Till next time. Thanks. Bye.